Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 18th annual Wright Men Tour of Mayhem. Although this year and the last couple of years it's been the Wright Man Tour of Mayhem, but that's okay. This year we are going to be heading east. I had planned on going through BC again this year. However, they are suffering some serious wildfires and there's highways closed. And even if the highways are open, hotels are going to be booked for evacuees. It's not a good situation out there. So I'm going to head to Saskatchewan. Now we're obviously going to be heading through part of Alberta first, and we're going to be exploring some really cool looking valleys. We're going to be hitting places like the Drumheller Badlands, Saskatchewan Landing, Fort Capel, and we're going to be visiting a few little ghost towns as we roll through Saskatchewan here. So this will be pretty cool. So welcome to the Valley Tour. The plan for today was to ride the South Dinosaur Trail near Drumheller, then blast along the Trans-Canada, through the prairies, yes, the prairies, again, and at the end of the day, stop at Clearwater Lake Regional Park. Unfortunately, I hit a small snag with that plan. The South Dinosaur Trail is one of the most picturesque in Alberta. It includes a short ride on the Blériot Ferry, and the road takes you up and down the valley so you get great views. Ah yes, the snag. The road is closed, so we're just going to have to settle for the North Dinosaur Trail, which is nice, but not as good as the South Trail. All right, so we're going to take the South Dinosaur Trail, but it's closed, unfortunately. The road's closed. A lot of these badland areas, the soil is very soft, and when they get some heavy rains, it'll wash down onto the road or wash out the road. Really disappointing because that is a really beautiful ride. You get to go up and down through the Dinosaur Valley here. However, we'll catch some of it. We took the North Road coming in, which is still good. We've still got a little bit to go. Once we get out of there, we are on the Trans-Canada and we're blasting across the prairies, which, that's always scenic stuff. All right, hang tight. Let's get moving. I hit a little rain just before Bassano. I decided to put the rain gear on when I fueled up, as I hate getting swamp ass. As usual, I rode out of it 10 minutes later. Just stopped for a bite to eat. Next stop will be Swift Current. I think I'm about half done my miles today. Obviously, prairies are a little bit boring, so I didn't film too much of that, but we've got a few more valleys coming up here. Should be good. Welcome to Saskatchewan. This is the Saskatchewan landing. So way back in the day, when there were red river carts like that one in the background, they would cross the river here using a ferry. And apparently this was on their way to North Battleford. Apparently there's still tracks up in the hills there somewhere of the old carts. This is called the Goodwin House. This was obviously a stopover and a place to recuperate and resupply. Spent a lot of time down here as a kid. There's a beach way down there. And then over there, there's a marina, golf course, campgrounds, all kind of stuff. Very well used place. It's a very nice facility. Water is super high this year, which I guess that's good. Lots of water. Just got my cabin here at Clearwater Lake. It's actually not a bad little cabin. I'm guessing maybe that couch pulls out, but there's 2 bedrooms. Although I screwed up. No bedding, so I'm gonna have to, I don't know, sleep in my sweatpants or something tonight. At least it's warm out, so I'm not gonna freeze to death. So I definitely came unprepared. At least I have a hand towel, but no towels. So if I'm gonna have a shower, I'm gonna have to dry off with that thing, and well, to be honest, that ain't big enough. Well, I definitely came woefully unprepared, but whatever, still a cool cabin. I'm pretty sure this is where our old cabin used to be, and I think it's gone now and obviously been replaced, but that cabin was probably built in the 50s, because that store was built just before we sold it, so we were somewhere right in here. Sad to see it go, but it was pretty old even when we had it back in the 80s. There was a time I used to fish off a dock that was here and we catch perch. Everything's changed a lot. This is the beach I used to swim at. I even took swimming lessons here. Yeah, everything's so different. I haven't seen a payphone in a long, long time. And it works. Cool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, cheers. It's been a good day. I think I was about 700 kilometers today and was anywhere from a little bit of rain to too hot. But a good day. And I really hope that water is drinkable, because when we had our cabin here 40 years ago, it wasn't. Guess we'll find out tomorrow, won't we? Well, as you can see, I don't have any bedding. At least they gave us this little mattress cover, so I'm going to have to go to bed in all my lovely regalia. So, night everybody. See you in the morning. I'm cold. Somebody come and cuddle me.